Today's video is about critical region for a specific hypothesis HO. The set of values for which we reject HO is called the critical region. It has nothing to do with the sample. It depends only on the significance level alpha. We define the critical region only for 3 tests. For the mean mu for the population in z-test only, which means sigma is known. For the parameter m in Poisson test. For a proportion p in binomial test. For the mean mu of population z-test. Under HO, X bar follows this. This is based on CLT. Then for right-tailed test, we will use this to work out. For left-tailed test, we got to use this to work out. For H1, mu greater than mu 0, it will be right-tailed test. This is K. X bar greater than K will be the critical region, or you can call this the rejection region. Remember, the mean is mu 0. For H1, mu less than 0, left-tailed test. This is K. The critical region is X bar less than K. For H1, mu is not equal to mu 0. Two-tailed test. We have K1, K2. Remember, the mean is mu 0. This is mu 0. Then we have 2 critical regions. X bar less than K1 or X bar greater than K1. Let's talk about non-critical region. For right-tailed test, since the data is continuous, non-critical region will be X bar less than or equal to K. For left-tailed test, non-critical region X bar greater than or equal to K. For two-tailed test, non-critical region X bar greater than or equal to K1, less than or equal to K2. Guided practice 1. For a sample n equals 60 data, we know that X bar equals 29. The standard deviation of a population sigma equals 3.1. For the test at a 5% significance level, HO, mu equals 26. H1, mu is not equal to 26. Find the critical region and the non-critical region. Under HO, X bar follows normal distribution with mean 26, 3.1 over square root 60 as the standard deviation. Based on this H1, we will sketch the diagram. This is a two-tailed test, K1, K2. Alpha over 2 equals 0.025. This is the alpha over 2, 0.025. Because the shaded area adding together is alpha. Alpha is 0.05. Let's go to calculator to get K1. K1 inverse norm 0.025, 26, 3.1 over square root of 60. Go to menu 6, 5, distribution 3, inverse norm, area 0.025, mu 26, sigma 3.1 over square root 60. Enter, enter. Answer is 25.2. For K2, remember the area in the inverse. It's always the probability x bar less than a. In other words, the interval is from infinity to this a. We will put the negative infinity here. For K2, this area equals 1 minus 0.025. So K2 equals inverse norm 1 minus 0.025, 26. Standard deviation 3.1 over square root 60. Go up, pull down. They use 1 minus 0.025 as the area in this inverse norm. Enter. Answer is 26.8. Critical region is x bar less than 25.2 or x bar greater than 26.8. Non-critical region x bar greater than or equal to 25.2, less than or equal to 26.8.